Okay, now we're going to basically do the reverse of what we just did. We're going to try and get this into a single logarithm. So before I can use rule 1 or 2, let's go back and look at these two rules here. Notice you don't have any number in front of these logs at all. So that's going to be my first step. So my first step here, I got to get this 2 out of the way. So I'm going to put it in as a power. So that's going to give me log 4 plus log 5 squared, which is going to be log 4 plus log 25. Well, now I can go and use rule number 1, which says that when I'm adding two logs, I can put it into one logarithm with the multiplication here. So that's just going to give me my one logarithm of 4 times 25. So log of 100. Remember, this is base 10. So what power goes on 10 to give me 100? And the answer would be 2. All right, so on the second problem, let's do that same thing. Let's check here. Do I have a coefficient other than 1? Yes, I do. So I'm going to take and move that in as a power. Here I'm okay. I'll use that minus rule. But here I have to move this 3 in here. So that's going to give me log base 5 of 3 to the 5th minus log base 5 of 2 plus 7 is 9 plus log base 5 of 3 cubed. And I'm not sure what that 4 is doing there, so we'll just get rid of it. All right, so that'll give me, let's see, log base 5, 3 to the 5th is about 243. Log base 5 of 9 plus log base 5, 27. Now, when I combine these two, I'm going to use my division rule. Okay, so that's going to be log base 5, 243 over 9 plus log base 5, 27. Let's see, 243 over 9, that's going to be, let's see, I know that 243 is 3 to the 5th, because I already did that work back here. So this is 3 to the 5th. And this is 3 squared. So that's going to end up being 3 cubed. So I have log base 5 of 3 cubed plus log base 5 of 3 cubed, that's 27. Plus means to multiply them. So log base 5 of 3 cubed times 3 cubed gives me log base 5 of 3 to the 6th, which should be 243 times another 3, 729. Okay, let's see what we have next here. All right, let's do a couple more. At any time, if you think you're ready to practice, just go ahead and pause this and practice, and then you can come check with my work. So once again, I'm going to get these 1/2s inside here. So that's going to give me log x to the 1/2 plus log 7x to the 5th to the 1/2. So I get, well, putting it all together with the plus, it means to multiply. So I get the log of x to the 1/2 times 7x to the 5 halves. So I'm just multiplying those together. So, and that's all one logarithm. So I get log, let's see here, x to the 1/2, 7 to the 5 halves, times x to the 5 halves. So now I can combine these two terms. It's going to give me log of 7 to the 5 halves, x to the 1/2 plus 5 halves. That just comes out to be 3. So I've gotten it down into a single logarithm. Excuse me. All right, last problem on this page. Let's work inside here first. I'm going to pull this 3 in. I'm going to pull that 5 in. So that's going to give me 1/2 log p cubed minus log q to the 5th plus log p to the 4th. So inside those parentheses, you can kind of start doing these in more than one step here, or do a couple steps together. This is going to be the minus rule. So that's going to be log p cubed over q to the 5th. But then I have the plus here, so I'm going to times it by p to the 4th. So we end up with 1/2 log p to the 7 over q to the 5. And then we generally want to bring this 1/2 in here as a power. Now remember, 1/2 power means square root. So I'm going to make this log p to the 7 over q to the 5, square root of all that. Now, in the past, we would have simplified this. We would have taken out what we can, but at this point, we're trying to get it into a single log, and we're just going to stop right here because we've done that job. And once again, I'm going to stop, and we'll let you guys do some practice.